Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at this PURA Coffee C1 Pro coffee maker. This is an amazing portable coffee maker. Look at the size, very compact. You can bring it with you wherever you go. In that, you can also use it when it's not even plugged in. So it's got a battery, and this thing will allow you to make cold coffee up to 30 rounds. It'll also allow you to make hot coffee if you have the hot water and it's not plugged in. But if it's plugged in, of course, it has a heating element. It can go ahead and heat up the coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this thing works right here. Basically, it's plugged in right now, so I can go ahead and heat it. I can adjust the temperature by 2 degrees up to 201 or 203 and down to 185. I can go ahead and press this to make a hot coffee, press this to make a cold one. It shows you that's charging up here. That's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it now. And as you can see, it still turns on. Right here you got the battery life, so it shows you there's like 2 out of 3 bars up there. There is no longer a way to control the temperature, but it still shows you the inside temperature, and you can still make hot or cold coffee hot, assuming that you have hot water. So it comes with this cap right here. It comes with a scoop, this tamper tool to go ahead and press the coffee grounds down. It comes with a chamber for putting the coffee grounds in. It also comes with this capsule chamber, so if you use capsules, you go ahead and put this one on. You basically can unlock it like so, pull it out, and twist it open. This is where you'll put the grounds in. You'll use that tamper tool to go ahead and press it down. So it's super easy to go ahead and take that off, then go ahead and slide this on, lock it into place. And opening up this cap right here, this is where you'll go ahead and put your water in. You fill it up to the line. You can go ahead and cover that and then start it. And you can go ahead and put your cup underneath there, and it'll go ahead and start making the coffee. So this thing is super portable. It doesn't weigh anything at all. Looks beautiful as well. And it makes a mean cup of coffee. Overall, highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.